Alpha, beta, gamma, delta. No, we're not talking about physics, but these are the variants of the coronavirus. And there is a new one now called the Delta Plus that has the world worried again. The Delta variant was majorly responsible for a second wave of pandemic in India. Found in the country first, it is now present in 85 countries across the world according to WHO. And now the Delta variant has mutated into a more dangerous form known as the Delta Plus. But how did this happen? The virus essentially works by making copies of itself after entering a body. And while making these copies, the virus makes mistakes, altering its genetic code and resulting in the birth of a new variant. These mutations are sometimes not so dangerous and go completely unnoticed. But sometimes the mistake in genetic code helps it evolve in a more dangerous form. So now when the Delta variant made copies of itself, it mutated into Delta Plus. It was first reported in a health bulletin issued by the government of UK, and now there are more than 40 cases of the variant in India. The union government has alerted 3 states, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Kerala. Experts have now warned that the new variant might even evade vaccines.
Delta is actually B16172. That is the ID of this Delta variants. And then we have this Delta Plus, which has one additional mutant, which is K417N, that actually converts the Delta to Delta Plus. So there are speculations that, this additional mutations, which makes the Delta Plus, it also makes it more contagious. So it actually can bind to this ACE2 entry receptor more tightly, and it can also avoid the immune response. So in a way, people has actually speculated that about 35 to about 60% it is actually more infectious as compared to the Alpha variant, which is the primary one which initially we started with.
However, the Indian government has quoted studies claiming that both of India's primary vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin, are broadly effective against the new variant. But there are major concerns around the world when it comes to Delta Plus. Around 200 cases of Delta Plus has been found in as many as 11 countries till June 16. Britain has 36 cases, Canada 1, Japan has 15, Nepal 3, Poland 9, Portugal 22, Russia has 1 case, Switzerland has 18 cases, Turkey has 1 case, and the United States has 83 cases of Delta Plus. Authorities have warned that the new strain can inflict another wave of infections in India. The country has just emerged from the world's worst surge in COVID cases.